Welcome to Sister Fefe Channel, where you are welcome here. Hey guys, today it is Healthy Moments with Sister Fefe Tyson. Guys, first of all, I want to say thank you all for watching my videos and supporting me and cheering me on. But today I will be showing you pictures of my life, my journey, my story of me reaching 380 pounds and, realizing that I really needed help. In 2018, I decided to have the gastro bypass surgery because I had gotten to a weight that I could not believe. And I tried to exercise, I tried to diet, I tried to do everything, and it just seemed like it would not work, guys. And even in the pictures that you guys are looking at, I really thought, I was beautiful, which I do believe that I am beautiful. But just looking back over the pictures, it makes me see myself different. But I thank God that I did not have low self-esteem concerning my weight. I decided to have surgery because I could not do it on my own. Would I recommend this surgery to others? I would say do it for yourself and not for anyone else, because it is life, death, threatening. It has been quite a bit of people that has had the surgery and did pass away from it. So you will be, taking this surgery as a risk, and I did. And I decided to do the sleeve surgery, which it does not pull off a lot of weight that you participate when you are 380, which they recommend the gastric bypass. But I was very afraid of the gastric bypass, so I had the sleeve surgery. Even though, like I said, I did not lose as much weight as I wished, but I'm not where I used to be. So it is a fight to keep the weight off and things like that. So most definitely they recommend for you to exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Like, not even just exercise, you can just walk 30 minutes a day. That is what they recommend. And so today I am 100 pounds lighter, and I am very grateful for the surgery. Also, I do take health products, TLC products, to help with, keeping my bloodstream clean by detoxing my system. And I also take the NRG to help with my energy and help with suppressing my appetite. So at this point, I do take supplements, and they are natural to help me to lose weight continually, because you do get at a standstill once you lose the max weight, I guess, with the surgery. So you may need something to, help you to continue to reach those goals that you want to reach. But I just wanted to just share that little bit of information. I hope that my pictures will help you all to understand my journey, my life, And any encouragement that you can give, any support that you can give, if you would like to donate to help me with purchasing more healthy foods that I can, market on, I would appreciate it, because it will allow me to continue to work towards meeting my goal. I have not met my goal yet, so I really still need the encouragement to keep going. And I pray that this video once again has inspired someone. We just got to continue to, go forward. And as I look back, even at these pictures, I still felt like I was beautiful. I was working there at the doctor's office. I was happy, even though I was overweight. I was featured in Catherine's clothes. These are some old pictures of myself. I was on my way to church. And honey, yes, big girl was trying to work it out, honey. I was trying to work it out. And on this picture, I actually was at Myrtle Beach. And like I said, I love myself. I didn't have low self-esteem or anything like that. Now, this picture, I had reached my max. This is me face to face, showing you guys the difference in my transformation within my weight loss journey. And when I saw 380, I was just disgusted with myself. I was sad, could not believe that I even, got that close to 400 pounds. And I did. I got really close to 400 pounds. It was very depressing, very sad. That's why I reach out to you guys so much to get the encouragement that I need, and showing healthy products and things like that, because it is so easily to go back from where I come from, and it is a struggle. I still struggle with eating wrong. I need someone to motivate me, to be a coach. So guys, if you're out there and you're watching this video and you are wanting to sponsor someone with losing weight, or being featured on your channel, or your commercial, whatever it may be, please consider me, because I really want to continue to grow. I also need to have surgery on my belly, on my arms, on my breasts, on my back, my legs. It's a lot that I need to be, I need done. But I know that it takes money. It takes money to have, surgery and stuff. And I still need to lose weight, because the doctor that I was trying to consider to reach out to help me with my surgery for my belly, they're stating that I still need to lose weight. But anyway, that is enough of my story. This is me now. Currently, this is me. And I am happy about the skin I'm in, but I still struggle, guys. The doctor states that, mentally you still think that you are that same person that is 380 pounds. So y'all keep praying for me. I don't have low self-esteem. I love myself, but I do want to, keep continuing to reach those goals and have the surgeries I need to be the new me. And with that being said, I say make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Continue to come back and see what your girl is up to next. And with my closing, you know what I like to say. Blessings. Welcome to Sister Fefe Channel, where you are welcome here.